Hey, Gary Chappelle here. Just wanted to give a quick review of this smartphone video vlogging kit. Awesome little tripod here. This is fully extendable. You can raise this, lower it to fit whatever height you need. You've got your smartphone holder here. You've got an LED light. Lighting is very important when you're recording. A lot of people don't have enough light when they do their video recording. So if you need some extra light, this comes in really, really handy. You've got the microphone here, and then you just take the cord and plug it right into your smartphone. So this is a great little kit. You can adjust the light, put it on top, put it on the side. Same with the microphone. You can adjust that, put it where you need it. Just a great kit for video recording. I would highly recommend it. I think you will be very, very satisfied with it. Thanks.